think it's ready. Let's check the oven. Be careful now. Put in your hand mittens and have another one. Oh, yummy, yummy. Look at that. All sizes, small, big. You still can eat them. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit, let it cool off a little while, and then we can take it off. You're gonna need a spatula, so make sure you have a spatula, and then we're gonna try and nudge it off like that. Oh, perfect. Look at that. There you go. Okay, enjoy with your family until we see you again. Bye. And here goes Miss Sniffin.
So hopefully you enjoyed our first episode here at Keiki Cafe. So stay tuned every Tuesday as we plan a new lesson. We'll probably be bringing in special guests to showcase from our Nanaika Pono staff. So stay tuned, stay healthy, be safe. Remember, we need to flatten the curve, stay home.